Righto, so kind of got a lot of things here assembled. Got all the holes drilled and tapped and the bearings on. Got all these drilled and tapped and everything's attached. Same here on the other side. Got to make a little spacer up to sit behind this to space it in a little bit, because the ball screws, even though it's a 1000mm ball screw, it's still a bit short, so I have to space that out a bit so that on the other end it'll stick through the end there to get the shaft couple on. I sort of figured down here too I'd cut a little notch out of that where I kind of stuffed it up a little bit so that I can drop the whole lot down onto these other spot holes, and I'll drill those once I've cut them out next week. Only little mistake I made so far was the distance between on the insides of this. The inside distance actually turned out to be 995mm, not the 1000mm that it was supposed to be. Not really sure how that happened. I did something wrong there, but I haven't figured out what or where yet. But everything else, the measurements all work pretty good. All the bearing hole measurements are all good. All I have to do is make a little spacer for underneath that, and then I can pull everything apart. Ordered last night off eBay a proper aluminium spindle mount, and I'll start looking at proper water cooled spindles as soon as my tax check turns up. But all coming along pretty good. I've got a bit of extra bit of plate here that I'm going to use either across the back or across the top, just so I've got an extra spot to put things on. Probably across the back. I might get a wider bit, maybe 200mm wide, cover the back in, and then get a 100mm bit for across the top. It'll help keep some of the dust off the bearings and ball screws anyway. And getting pretty close to having it all rebuilt. Bit more next week, my days off perhaps.